Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences using the resource. Today, we're taking a look at Comerica Bank and their website, found at www.comerica.com. Navigating the homepage, you'll find a fairly standard layout for a financial institution. The primary focus is on showcasing their services, targeting both individual consumers and businesses. They clearly delineate their offerings, making it easy to find information on checking and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, investment options, and wealth management. For business clients, Comerica highlights treasury management, commercial lending, and specialized industry solutions. The site's design is clean and professional, employing a modern aesthetic. The use of white space effectively guides your eye to the most important information. The navigation bar is prominently displayed and intuitive, facilitating seamless exploration of the site's various sections. Comerica also emphasizes their commitment to digital banking, showcasing features like online account access, mobile banking, and bill pay. They provide resources and tools to assist customers in managing their finances, including calculators, educational materials, and financial planning guidance. One key aspect of Comerica's online presence is their focus on security. They prominently display information about their security measures and provide tips for customers to protect their financial information. This helps build trust and assures users that their data is safe. Beyond their core financial services, Comerica also highlights their community involvement and corporate social responsibility initiatives. This gives a sense of their values and commitment to giving back. Overall, Comerica's website offers a comprehensive overview of their products and services. The user-friendly design, coupled with a strong emphasis on security and customer support, makes it a valuable resource for existing and potential customers. The site's clear navigation and well-organized content allow users to quickly find the information they need, whether it's about personal banking, business solutions, or financial planning resources. While the site caters to a broad range of financial needs, it maintains a clear and focused approach, avoiding overwhelming visitors with excessive information. Furthermore, the site appears to be regularly updated with relevant news and information, keeping customers informed about important updates and offerings.